you're on a diet and you still want to save some money, here are some McDonald's hack. First, you go to the McDonald's Rewards app and then you click Everyday Delights and then pick any two for 10 dirhams and choose two cheeseburgers. This is what you do with your cheeseburger. So get one of your cheeseburger, lay it down flat, remove the bottom part because the bottom part doesn't have any mayonnaise or ketchup on it. And then take your second burger and just remove the bottom part again and put the top burger on. And there you have it. You have your double cheeseburger. And you save those bottom sandwiches and give it to someone who likes bread. And then you can enjoy your cheeseburger. This is only 10 dirhams. You're going to get your double cheeseburger for 10 dirhams. And usually the price of double cheeseburger is 13 dirhams. So you save 3 dirhams. This is here in Dubai, UAE. This is my ultimate favorite and it hits the spot every time.